channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. Hi guys, happy Monday. Oh, it is Monday. It is the best day of the week, in my opinion. Yes, and I'm gonna make you love Mondays. I know. You're thinking, what? Come on, Bella, get to the video. Okay, I know, you're here to see the decorating. But before we get into that, I wanna tell you guys something, and I want you to love Mondays. So, what we're gonna, if you're willing, if you're willing, leave me a comment down below and tell me what are you most grateful for. But make it good, girls. So, like for example, I'm gonna tell you. So this morning, I know I'm gonna ramble a little bit. So this morning, when I was doing my morning routine, because I have a big morning routine, a lot of you know this, some of you do, some of you don't. I was thinking of my gratitude and what I'm very, very grateful for. And I say this all the time. I say that I love my subscribers, and I truly mean that because my subscribers mean the world to me. Listen, do not mess with my subbies because I love them. Okay, but I want to, I am grateful for you guys, but in more depth than that, I am very, very grateful for the true life connections that I have made doing YouTube. And really, truthfully, I mean this, true life connections. I know people know about my personal life, and I know about my subbies' personal life, who are friends, who I consider my friends. And the real friendship connections that I've made, that is what I am most grateful for. So that is what I am grateful for today, this Monday. That is, and so you leave me a comment down below and you tell me what you're grateful for. Okay, before we get into the video, because I'm really excited to show you the house and show you what I've done and the little changes I've made. You'll see them in the video, and I don't want to make this video too long. I have a morning routine, and one of the things that I do on my morning routine is I listen to, or watch and listen to Terry Seville Foy. I'm going to leave her channel linked down below and all that, blah, 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 and all the, everything you need to know about it. And if you're not Christian based, if you are not of Christian faith, then she probably won't be somebody that you could connect with. But if you are of Christian faith, then you could connect with her. And today, listen, I know, I don't know if I'm allowed to do this. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I'm not sure, but I just really want to share this with you guys. Today, she's giving a free book. So I'm going to leave her channel link down below. If you want to know about this book, it's, of course, the camera is glaring. It's called Terry Seville Foy, Declutter Your Way to Success. She's giving away this book for free. This is her. This is her. I know. I mean, I connect with her. Look. So she's a great motivational speaker, and she's fantastic, and she's one of the people that I really connect with and make a big impact in my life. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna leave all that link down below. Now let's get into the video. Okay, I made a few changes. You're gonna see them. I'm just gonna show you around the house and bits of it, like, things that I've never shown before, like the shelf. We never decorated this together. Angela loves this. She says it's one of her favorite things. She said, "Mom, don't change it." I said, "Yeah, but we gotta bring in the bunnies." So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change everything. I mean, who are we kidding? Everything's gonna change. And yesterday, Sunday, I brought up my bins from the basement. Well, so most of you know that I moved here this year. Yeah, I have lost so many things. I don't know where my things are. I mean, this is ridiculous. Hence coming the book. Perfect, right? So I'm going to start decluttering. Yeah, I'm going to start decluttering and organizing because I have either misplaced stuff or they got thrown out. And I'm pretty sure they got thrown out because I can't be at every place in my life at all times. So when we were packing, I packed. And then I had a few people help me move, and I think things got thrown out. Anyways, I have to go shopping. Okay, enough of me rambling. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Okay, guys, so this is what I want to give you a look at and what I want to change. So I got 4 of these this size carpet from a local warehouse here, and I've used this one now for a while, and it's just really neutral. I put it here since we moved in. It's really neutral. And everything in this room is kind of neutral. And now for spring and summer going forward, you see I brought in some of my spring pillows. And I'm going to put more spring pillows, but these are just the ones that I brought in for right now. And there you can see my little centerpiece on my coffee table. But I want to switch out the carpet. So I want to kind of do it with you guys and see if you like it. And you give me some feedback on what you like. Okay, guys. So here's the other carpet that I was talking about. I think this one has a lot more color. And it's just going to give a different look to the family room. So now I'm debating if I should put it long or wide, like how I had the other one. So I'm just going to try it in 2 different ways and see which way I like. Okay, guys. So I got the carpet this way, and me and Angela put the coffee table on. If I sound like I'm huffing and puffing, that coffee table, by the way, weighs 1,000,000 pounds. I'm not kidding. It's got to weigh at least 500-600 pounds because that is a huge slab of granite on it. So we're going to flip the carpet the other way because I don't like it. If the carpet was wider, it would look good, but these carpets are only 5, I think they're 6x9s actually. So I think it'll look better the other way. But you can see the colors of the pillows. It does look much nicer in this room for spring and summer. Okay, my sweet friends, let me show you around and show you what I did. Do you love this fern? Yeah, Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, dollar store. I like these chairs here, but I'm going to move them. And there's the new carpet. I think it looks good. I like the more color that it brings to the room. And if you see on the couch, I added the green striped pillows that I bought, and I showed them in a shopping haul. I like those. They turned out really good. I think I'm going to go back to Burlington and get those other pillows that I mentioned in my last shopping haul. If you haven't seen that and you're new here, I'll link it in the end screen. But yeah, this is it. This is my ode to spring. Little touches of lavender. You guys all saw the mantle. And I got such amazing feedback from that. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it. I think it looks so beautiful. The birds, a lot of people were asking me where those are from. They are from Pier 1, if you're interested. And then on that antique chair, if you've been with me for a while, you know that chair is over 100 and something years old. I love that pillow. I wish I had 2 of that pillow, but I never found them. And this is Angela's favorite spot. She just loves how these shelves are decorated this season. She says it's her favorite. And I agree with her. They look pretty good. So yeah, that's what I've done. Oh, and right here, this is above the TV. It's like a little thing. I switched out the shelf. Now I'm going to take you to my coffee bar because I know you guys haven't seen the coffee bar. So my Keurig broke and I had to get a new one. So that's my new Keurig. And there's my 2-tiered tray. I know you guys have seen this a million times. I just added really simple. And there come the bunnies. I was taking them out. Those are salt and pepper shakers, guys. Let me tell you about this thing, though. This is so cool. I've been doing it for about a month. I just put a teaspoon in my coffee, so that's why I have it in my coffee bar. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Here's the kitchen. I'm not going to go into depth in my kitchen because I know most of you have seen it. But I just love the yellow. Oh my God. And I'm bringing back the yellow. Come after Easter, for summer, I'm going to bring back the yellow and the lemons, but with a twist. I'm going to add another color to it. So you'll have to come back and see that. That for sure. I mean, God willing, we'll be moving. So I'll just pack all this up and leave and redecorate a whole new kitchen. That is my wish. I hope it happens very, very soon. But yeah, so here's the kitchen. Not much, just really cute. I love a clean kitchen. Don't you guys just love a clean kitchen? I know there's nothing better than a clean kitchen, right? Love my tray. Oh, and I have to say thank you to everybody that purchased that tray. You guys are the best. And if you're new here, those two tea trays are from my shop. Okay, I never showed you guys these. I don't know why, but see the little curtains above the door? I did that. And there's that little sign I bought just recently from Burlington. Enjoy every moment. It is perfect. Guys, I didn't even realize it is the exact same size as my welcome sign. So it fit in perfect. I put it up on Sunday. So I really like it. It looks really, really good. So that's the other changes I made. And the little curtains from when we did the decorate with me. I just wanted to show you guys. I love this look. I had to show it again. I love the top of that staircase landing. So much fun. And here's the hallway. I know a lot of you have seen it. But I really want to take you into the dining room and show you what I did in there. Because I didn't really show much in there. Yeah. So the dining room centerpiece, the table centerpiece all stayed the same. Except for my fireplace and the little table over there. I switched things up a bit. I love it. It looks so good. And oh my God, look at this. I made this arrangement. I'm going to give you a better look. I had to close the blinds. So pretty. I love it. It just says, come on, spring. Come on, spring. And yeah, it's just stuff I had around the house that I used. I think it looks great. I think I'm going to keep that arrangement coming forward for Easter, but I have an idea for it. And then I did the blooming lamps. Oh my God, I had to. I used 2 of the Decor boxes that are in my store. I love them. I think these blooming lamps turned out so cute. I just love it. I love how the fireplace turned out. I'm really, really happy with it this year. I'm so glad I painted that fireplace. And this is where I kind of want you guys' opinion. Actually, I do want your opinion. And you see me in the background running around like always. My hutch stayed the same. It stayed all the same. You'll see in a minute. I did add that cream and sugar, the bunny cream and sugar in there. But don't worry, because this whole thing is all going to change. All going to totally look different. And I want to do a decorate with me styling the hutch, because I know you guys love that. And I have some really good ideas. And I don't know if you've never seen the mirrors. They're on both sides. You can see them there. Just easy peasy, guys. It's kind of like an everyday decor with lots of greenery and just freshness. After blah winter, you just want to add something nice to your homes.
What'd you think? Cute, right? I mean, it's not major changes. It's, I added a little bit of color. It was my ode to early spring. I mean, spring's not even here, but whatever. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to take like bits and pieces and ideas of what I've done around the house and incorporate it in your homes and make your homes feel special for you and your families, because that's the point of these decor channels, I think, in my opinion. I think that we do all this decor I do it. Maybe I should just speak for myself. Yes, speak for yourself only, Bella. Okay. I do my decor channel to share my love of decor and homes and, making beautiful homes for our friends and our families. To me, I love making a cozy home somewhere, it's a safe refuge and you love to come. So maybe that'll motivate you to do something amazing and beautiful in your home, and everybody will go, ooh, that is so pretty. Anyways, that is reason probably why I do YouTube. I love it. I love homes. I love homes. I love houses. Yeah, pretty much. Anyways, that is it. I rambled a lot. I miss you guys on the weekends quite a bit, actually. I really do. And if you made it to the end and my babbling, I hope you have an amazing, amazing day today. And I hope you have an amazing month ahead. Spring is on its way. And we're going to bring out the bunnies. And Bella's going to go shopping. Okay, guys, I love you. Mwah! Have a fantastic day ahead. And I will see you on Wednesday.